Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, Grow More. Grow every single day. In this channel we will discuss self-development book reviews and life-improving tips. So subscribe to our channel for daily updates. In today's video we will see Rich Dad Poor Dad book written by Robert Kiyosaki. In the end of this video you exactly come to know why the rich gets richer and the poor gets poorer. The author says that he has two fathers, one dad is educated and working and leading a normal life. On the other hand, the rich dad is not educated but earns more money than the educated dad. How to become rich is our question here, so let's search the damn answers. First we have to know why we are poor. Rich and poor are mindset. If you ask a poor how to become rich, he would say, work harder. If hard work makes us rich, everyday workers would have been rich by now. The author says that the lack of money is not the problem, but the lack of knowledge about the money is the major problem. In today's world, a kid is born and sent to school and college and graduate and finds a job, works 9 hours a day, like how their parents lived and died. The author calls it as a rat race. How to get out of the rat race is now the question. But we will see why we get in at the first place. The two emotions are the main reasons why we get into the rat race. They are fear and desire. Fear makes us to go to job to make money. But money is a short-term solution to the long-term problem. Next is desire. It makes us spend the money we earned by buying liabilities just to impress others. The poor have the mindset like, when something is expensive and they want it, they give up simply saying we can't afford it. Whereas the rich would think like, how can I afford that? The rich dad says that we should not think with emotions, rather let the emotions to think. We say I am not interested in money and still goes to job to pay our bills, and spend the money lavishly and become broke. The second reason the poor gets poorer is that they lack financial literacy. They don't know what is an asset and liabilities. An asset is something which gives you income and puts money in your pocket. Liabilities which are basically expenses and takes money out of your pocket. They also lack what is income statement and a balance sheet. The income statement and the balance sheet help us monitors the cash flow pattern. The income statement is a measure of our income and the expense, whereas the balance sheet is supposed to balance assets against the liabilities. The cash flow pattern is what determines whether we are a poor, or a middle class, or a rich. We will see and understand how the cash flow pattern works. The poor have the cash flow like this. They have an income by going to a job, and their expenses are way too much higher than the income. Their asset column are always empty, but liabilities are too high to take their income fast and make them poor. They earn, but their liability takes their money. Now comes the middle class people cash flow. They have income by a job, and the expense are the liabilities that they think they are assets. They pay house rent, tax, EMI for vehicles, and wonder where the money has gone. They don't know the difference between the asset and the liabilities, or they would have think with the emotions to buy things that impress others. The rich people are those who clearly knows the difference between assets and the liabilities. They build a strong asset column that earns the strong income continuously, where they do their regular job as well. Their asset column includes stocks, mutual funds, royalties, real estate, etc. They also have very less expenses, makes the liability column small. The rich are in the process of creating the wealth in the sense, a strong assets, while the poor goes to the job and earn money and spend lavishly. The rich also minds their own business. Do you know what is McDonald's? I bet you thought the hamburger you ate there. But they are the largest real estate companies and makes billion-dollar revenue out of it. The rich people always buys the luxuries at last, whereas the poor tend to buy the luxuries at first, with their hard-earned money, and pays the EMI, and become broke. Have you ever seen Mark Zuckerberg wearing a luxury suit with Rolex watch? No, we haven't, because that is not necessary and it brings no good. Now let's discuss why rich gets richer. They have the strong assets, and they create money, while they sleep, and it adds out to be an extra income. And they do not spend unnecessarily like the poor. They reinvest the profit, which yield more profit, and they again reinvest it. They don't play the game safely. They always take calculated risks. Why the middle class struggles to save hardly few money is that their liability, which they think as asset, takes their money, and their asset column being empty. Their only source of income is their job. The author says you are one step away from poverty if you depend on a single source of income. Their liability column keeps increases but asset column grow no more. The other way to get rich is that become an entrepreneur or start business. We Indians, especially middle class people, often get scared when heard the word called business. If you start a company or a business, you pay yourself first and then pay to the government. You can cover your own expense in the company name and you can reduce it. In some cases you can also pay it later. The poor and the middle class people works harder, and even before they receive their salary, they pay their tax to the government and pay themselves last. The rich dad always says he would pay himself first, and if he has no money, he asks himself, how can I make more money? His brain's at work, making him earn more money. The rich always invest when they earn. If they don't have the knowledge about investing, they learn by taking courses, and they keep themselves growing every day. The poor have this fear of investing, but they would spend money on partying, drinks, wine, and high-budget dinners. You can learn a skill that makes money. First learn, and then earn. When the author, Robert, have this interview with the lady asks her books are not famous as his is. The author replied, you should take some sales and marketing courses. The lady got frustrated and asks, why should I take courses that are useless? He replied, my book is the best-selling author, not best writing author. This teaches us we should have the knowledge about everything. The author says, the world is full of talented people, but they are one skill lacking to become rich. Say for example you make tea that tastes awesome. The tea shop near your house provides tea which is of normal taste. You make awesome tea, but you are not making any money because you don't know how to sell it, and there are certain risks. You have to open a shop, so you left. On the other hand, the person who make tea which tastes normal know how to sell it, and he took the risks and now he is making money. In India, tea is the most selling because everyone drinks tea when they are in happy or sad, mostly any time. The movie Miss India starring Kirti Suresh, she sells best chai and knows how to sell it, makes her a billionaire. Sometimes we got to do what you think most. These are the obstacles you would face. You have to overcome it. The author says, everyone wants to go to heaven, but no one wants to die. This illustrates, everyone wanted to become rich, but have fear of losing. Losing should inspire us, he says. If you don't choose the habits wisely, the habits will choose your future. Overcome ignorance but learning every day. The biggest asset, the poor, middle class, and the rich are having in common is our brain. It is most potential asset. If you use it in a correct way, you can make money and become rich, and become financially independent. Our schools and college teaches us how to retire at 60s, but didn't taught how to make money in 20s. Use your time and money to build assets. Think long term. Be focused. By following these steps, you can get out of the rat race and live your life for yourself. That's all about today's video. Like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel for regular videos. Do comment which book you want to review, and we will post a video soon. Thank you, and good day.